What's happening, YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at a brand new product that I've never done on this channel before. But today we're gonna open another can of worms. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you could be notified of the next videos to come up, tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at fibcedmonton.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Basically, this is the Crypto.com card. Spoiler alert, I already got the Ruby card from them. If you are very familiar on the platform Crypto.com, this is one of their cards, their Visa cards. This is one of the metal cards, and I've just upgraded to the 5,000 Canadian card, which is the Royal Indigo. Today we're gonna unbox this and show you what it looks like. So here we go. Now the benefits of the Crypto.com there is quite a lot. We're gonna talk about more of that later on. But let me know in the comments below if you already got one of these cards. Here we go. This is what you get on the card on the inside there. Boom. You get this little card that it says, "It's my pleasure to present you your Crypto.com Visa card. You can activate and manage it through the Crypto.com app. Our 24/7 in-app chat support will be able to answer any of your questions. Crypto.com Visa card is often first step to exciting new world." Okay, we hope to also prove to be the first for you to take back control of your money, data, and identity. Okay, after all, it's a basic human right. Blockchain technology can truly deliver on that promise. Okay, a simple ask: if our product works for you, tell your friends. Nothing helps drive adoption better than the real world utility and chatting about it about a few good friends. Actually, I've already encouraged my friends to stake some money in on Crypto.com. I've actually made a little bit of money there because coming into Crypto.com, I was pretty early in the game, and it went shot up to more than $1, and then it's back down to 70 cents now. But that's all right. We're there for the long run, right? Not for the quick results. So here it is. This is the card. It's gonna pull this down right here. Boom. This is the Royal Indigo. It's quite a nice card. I really like the packaging as well. They really put a lot of care on this. Let's just take this down. Let's take it out of the packaging here. It has some disclaimer there as well. Let's put that away. There we go. That's it for that. Look at that big trap. Boom. There you go. And really, that's it. This is the Royal Indigo card. If you stake 4,000 US or 5,000 Canadian there, then you'll get a metal card like this. Quite a bit of benefits there as well if you have different types of cards. Actually, the benefits actually differs as well if you are staking or non-staking benefits. So as you could see there, once you are staking, you get 3% there on the Indigo. You also get the Spotify for free and the Netflix for free. If you go up a bit, you can also get the Prime for free and get a few points from Airbnb and Expedia. There's also the airport lounge access if you have the Indigo or higher card. And then if you have the silver, you also get the Crypto.com private, which is really good as well. Now, most of the time you just top up. This is not a credit card. This is a Visa debit. So you top up your big coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum onto this card, and then you'll be able to use it and tap it everywhere else to buy for your groceries or maybe different services. As long as they take Visa debit, you'll be able to use it with that. And thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Crypto.com card. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. I have a link down below as well, so you can get that referrer. I have a referral code down below as well that will give you $25 US if you sign up with me and sign up with the Ruby card. If you stake that $500 Canadian there, so it's pretty good. You get the Ruby card, you also get the $25 with it, and also at the same time I get the $25. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.